Hello friends and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a bright, appetizing and quick appetizer that disappears from the table just as fast as it's prepared. This is a herring appetizer roll, simple to make, visually impressive and perfect for a keto menu or for anyone looking to keep their blood sugar stable. Lightly salted herring is rich in protein and healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids, and contains no fast-acting carbs, making it safe for people with diabetes. The fats help you feel full for longer and assist in stabilizing blood glucose levels. For the filling, you'll need one small boiled carrot, about 60 gram, contains a small amount of natural sugars, but in one portion of this roll, the quantity is minimal. 2 boiled eggs, a source of protein, B vitamins, and healthy fats. About 50 gram of processed cheese adds a creamy texture and rich flavor. Sautéed onion, 1 small onion, 80 gram, in moderate amounts gives sweetness and aroma and provides dietary fiber. Salt and pepper to taste. Dice the carrot and eggs into small cubes, grate the cheese, saute the onion, and combine everything in a bowl. Dress with melted butter to add juiciness and bind the ingredients together. For a zero-carb version, skip the carrot and use soft cream cheese mixed with garlic and fresh herbs. You can place a pickled cucumber or olives in the center for extra flavor. These variations are completely carb-free and even more suitable for diabetes. If using a whole herring, fillet it and remove all bones. To save time, you can use ready-made fillets of lightly salted herring. Lay the fillet slightly overlapping on a piece of plastic wrap so there are no gaps, cover with another layer of wrap, and gently pound to create an even surface for rolling. Remove the top layer of plastic wrap. Spread the filling evenly over the herring fillets, then bring the edges of the fish together and roll tightly, using the plastic wrap to help shape it. Place the roll in the refrigerator for 2 hours. For the neatest slices, put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. This makes cutting clean, even portions much easier. Slice the roll into portions and arrange on a serving plate. The result is a beautiful appetizer where the delicate filling perfectly complements the rich flavor of the herring. This dish contains no fast carbs, is rich in protein and fats, and won't cause blood sugar spikes. The omega-3 fatty acids in the fish also benefit heart and vascular health. Share in the comments what fillings you enjoy for herring rolls and whether you've tried similar appetizers before. Recipe taken from the channel Keto and Low Carb Recipes.